Hi friends, in this video we will explore the multi-signature account using ZKsync and Web3.js. So first we will try and deploy everything we need, and then we will interact with this multi-signature account, sign and send transaction. I already prepared the multi-sig empty file, and I want to have two methods here. It will be prepare and interact. First of all, we need to have ABI and bytecode for the multi-signature account. I have the example of two-user multi-signature account. So I have a bytecode and ABI. All this we can find in Web3 plugin ZKsync repository, two-user multi-signature. Let's return to our helper, or maybe let's copy all this file. Go to the examples, new folder, contracts, and paste here. Okay, we have the file here. Let's import it. And copy this code. So we have the ABI, the bytecode, contract factory. It can be reached from the Web3 plugin ZKsync, and we need to pass the smart account here or the wallet. Let's create smart account. Okay, create smart account and create the wallet. Let it be owner 1, the first wallet, and another random wallet will be the second owner. So in the factory, so we create the instance of the contract factory, passing the ABI bytecode, smart account, and the method of creation, and then run the deploy method and pass to them owners' addresses. So this is contract for two owners only. And after deploying, we can just console log our multi-signature contract address. Okay, we have the preparation to deploy the contract, and we should receive the multi-signature contract address. And also I want to have here owner 1, owner 2. We need to save this information for the next, to run it next, our calls, especially for owner 2, because it's just randomly generated. And also let's prefill with ethers from owner 1, send transaction to multi-sig address. So we prefill the multi-signature contract with Ethereum, send 1 Ethereum on it, and owner 2 also prefilled by 1 Ethereum. Okay, and also I want to prefill the multi-signature with DAI token. So I want to not send transaction, I want to transfer token DAI L2 to multi-sig. And amount, yeah, we need amount, how much we want to send, let it be 1000. Let's check. It is string. Okay. So let's run our prepare method. Okay, we have the multi-sig address, owner 1 and owner 2 data, and everything already prefilled. Let's save our information. Okay, and now we can go to the interact. Let's use our multi-sig account. For this, first of all, we need to create it. Web3, ZKsync, multi-sig smart account, create, and here we should pass first the multi-sig address. This is address of our contract, and array of 2 private keys of our owners. So it's owner 1 private key and owner 2 private key. And this will be, let's call the same multi-sig account. And now we can send Ethereum, for example. Send token as constant, and we need recipient. Let's create random recipient. Okay, and also let's send DAI token. As we have only 1000, let's send 50. And let's check balances of the recipient before and after. I want to have here is balance before. It will be recipient, recipient get balance, and also token balance before. We need get balance O2, and let's get these balances after our transactions. And I think, oh, we can also check the balance, token balance, token multi-sig balance. Before and after. Let's run it. Oh, let's check. We don't need to deploy it again. So remove prepare. Okay. And run it. Okay. As you see, balance Ethereum 0, token balance 0 because it's just a randomly generated account, and multi-sig balance, token multi-sig balance before it's 1000 because we pre-fill it. Then we have the is receipt, token receipt, and balances after. Is balance after. So it was, we sent 0.1 Ethereum, multi-sig balance after 950, so it was decreased by 50, and recipient token balance after increased by 50. You can use it like usual account, but inside it sign every transaction with 2 wallets and using smart contract. Okay, and the next section It's using paymaster with multi-sig account. Let's try it. First of all, we need to prefill multi-sig with approval tokens. Let's prefill it. Main account private key, wallet transfer to multi-sig 5 approval tokens. That's it. And wait. Okay. And then we can try to send Ethereum, for example, using the paymaster. Amount of the Ethereum, let it be Web3 utils 2-way 0.01 Ether. Okay, and the same paymaster params as we have in the previous video. And wait for this transaction. And let's get balances. And that's it. And the same after. Okay. Let's try to run it. Okay, recipient 0 approval token on the multi-sig 5, and after the sending, the recipient balance 0.01 Ethereum, and approval token because it decreased because we pay for the transaction user approval token using multi-signature account. Okay, in this video we successfully deployed the multi-signature account, execute transfers, and utilize the paymaster feature using the multi-signature account. So in the next video we will talk about injected providers such as MetaMask.